Hello everyone, I'm Fairy and welcome to my channel Curry Bites. This is my first video showing my face. Wishing you all a very happy new year. Let's start this new year with a simple and tasty fruit custard recipe. Let's get started.
All you need for this recipe is these three ingredients and some fruits. Heat up a pan and to this add in half a liter of milk. To this measure and add quarter cup of sugar. Once the milk is not chill anymore and the temperature of the milk slightly rises, add 3 tablespoons of store-bought custard powder in a bowl. Add few ladles of milk and mix this well till it is in its liquid form. Once the milk starts becoming frothy and begin to boil, turn off the flame. Now pour the custard powder mix into the milk and mix it well. Do not add the custard powder mix while the milk is still boiling, as it tends to get chunky and not dissolve. Now turn the flame back on and heat this up in the lowest flame setting for 2 minutes till it reaches a slightly thicker consistency as shown. Now transfer this to a clean bowl and let it come to room temperature. Once it reaches room temperature, refrigerate for an hour. Meanwhile, let's chop up the fruits. Today I am using some green color, black color and red color grapes, an apple and some pomegranate seeds. You can also use bananas, mangoes and pineapples. That would taste amazing. It's been an hour and I have taken the custard from the refrigerator. Now let's add all the chopped fruits and mix it well. You can store this in the refrigerator for up to a week. Serve this chilled and enjoy. Hope you found this video useful. Just see how beautiful it looks.
Thank you all for watching this video. Please do give this recipe a try and share in your feedback in the comments. Thank you for subscribing and staying connected, sharing your kind feedbacks and comments even though I wasn't posting for a long time. Once again, wishing you all a very happy 2025. I pray that you all have a blessed and prosperous 2025. Thank you.